Does Windows 7 have Net 4 installed by default? I offered software where Net 4.0 is needed and promised that Windows 7 already comes with this framework. If not, the user can use the integrated Windows Update function to install the framework. My client said to me there is no framework on Windows 7 Professional installed already. What are details about the situation of Windows 7 and is there an option to install Net by using the update function of Windows 7?
Windows 7 does not come with Net 4 preloaded, but if you run Windows Update to get it up to date, it will be installed. Update. Checking my update history over again, and yes, it's offered as an update, but only after I updated the computer to SB1.
Windows 7, SB1, comes with the following: Net Frameworks 1.0, 1.1, 2.0, 3.0 and 3.5 support as far as I know. If you need Net Framework 4.0 support, then your clients need to download at least Microsoft Net Framework 4 client profile. I just verified Windows Update on the clean Windows 7 Home Premium installation. Directly after installation, Windows Update offers a security update for Net Framework 3.5.1. But no, Net Framework 4.0 is offered by Windows Update at first run of Windows Update. I am going to install the patches provided first and then report if Net Framework 4.0 is offered at a later stage. Update. I just entered the second update round on my VM, and now I am offered 6 important updates only. Still no Net Framework 4. Update 2. I just had to do another 2 rounds of Windows updates and now Microsoft Net Framework 4 client profile for Windows 7 is provided through Windows Update. So yes, it seems to be automatically deployed if Windows Update is enabled. Either you need to make sure really all updates are applied or you just go for the download link provided above.
No, it comes with .NET Framework 3.5.1, according to this URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.